You see that top-tier trim on a luxury car, and you gotta wonder, what am I really paying for here? Is it just some fancy leather and a shiny badge? Well, today we're digging into Lincoln's absolute best, Black Label, to figure out what makes it more than just a car, and if it's actually worth that premium price tag. Okay, let's get into it.
But first, let's zoom out for a second. What does luxury even mean anymore? Seriously, is it just about the stuff you can touch? You know, the rare wood, the perfect stitching on the seats? Or has it become something bigger, something like an experience, a service, a feeling? Just keep that question in the back of your mind.
And right here, this is basically Lincoln's answer to that question. They're not calling Black Label just a trim package. No, it's a combination of incredible design and personal service. That's the key idea we're going to unpack today. The real value is in the car itself, sure, but it's also in this whole ecosystem they build around you, the owner. So here's our game plan. We're going to start with the foundation, the part you see and feel, those amazing interior themes. Then we'll stack the exclusive owner benefits on top of that. After that, we get to what I think is the real game changer, the whole effortless experience. And then we'll wrap it all up with the big takeaway.
All right, let's dive into the part you can actually sit in and enjoy, the vehicle itself. Because Black Label isn't about just, picking a leather color from a swatch book. It's about choosing a complete, fully designed interior theme, like walking into a room designed by an expert.
And this is the perfect example of what I'm talking about. Just look at the difference. On one side, you've got the Enlightened theme. It's so bright, so open, it feels like a breath of fresh air. And then you have the Atmospheric theme. Totally different vibe, right? It's dark, it's rich, it's kind of moody, it just wraps around you. These aren't just colors, they are completely different worlds inside the same car.
Now listen to the words they use here. They don't just say black leather seats. They say they're swathed in onyx leather. They talk about wood appliques that suffuse the sense of sanctuary. I mean, come on. They're not just selling you features, they're selling you a feeling, an entire environment. And that right there is where Black Label starts to feel different.
Okay, so the car itself is clearly special. But the Black Label experience, well, it goes way beyond your driveway. Let's get into the next layer of value, all the exclusive perks that come with being an owner.
And we are not talking about a couple of small things here. Look at this list. It's a whole suite of benefits. You get this massive drop of rewards points, your premium maintenance is covered, you get lifestyle memberships, it's the whole shebang, designed to make owning the car feel just as good as driving it.
Let's just park on that first one for a sec. 70,000 points. That is a serious welcome gift. You can use that for future oil changes, fancy detailing, or even put it towards your next Lincoln. It's real, tangible value you get right out of the gate.
And this is where that whole definition of luxury gets really modern. A free year of the Calm app. Think about that. Lincoln gets that a sanctuary isn't just about what's inside the vehicle. They're actually trying to contribute to your well-being even when you're not driving.
And the premium experience travels with you. That Avis President's Club membership means you get guaranteed upgrades and other perks when you rent a car. So even when you're on a business trip away from your own Lincoln, you're still getting that seamless top-tier treatment.
So we've covered the amazing vehicle, we've covered the awesome perks, but now we get to what might just be the most valuable part of the entire Black Label promise, the part that deals with the one thing none of us can ever get more of.
And there it is. The absolute ultimate luxury isn't a thing at all. It's time. All the other stuff is fantastic, don't get me wrong, but the services that are literally designed to save you time and hassle, that's what defines a truly premium experience today. And this, right here, is the crown jewel of the whole thing. Lincoln pickup and delivery. And the beauty of it is how simple it is. Your car needs service? You schedule it. They come to you, your house, your office, wherever. They drop off a loaner Lincoln so your day keeps moving, and then they bring your car back, all serviced and cleaned.
I mean, just think about what that means. It completely wipes out the biggest headache of car ownership. No more wasting hours in a dealership waiting room, no more begging for a ride. Your car gets taken care of, and your time stays yours. Honestly, this service alone is a huge piece of that is it worth it puzzle.
All right, let's bring it all home. We've seen the incredible interiors, we've seen the long list of perks, and we've seen the services that save you time. So how does it all add up? How does it justify being called Black Label?
The answer is, it's not any one thing. It's the whole ecosystem. The value isn't just in the metal and leather, it's in the beautiful design, plus the memberships, plus the premium maintenance, all wrapped up in a service that puts your time first. You're not just buying a car, you're buying into a whole different kind of ownership experience.
Which brings us right back to where we started. What Lincoln Black Label is really suggesting here is that the future of luxury isn't an either-or question. It's not a product or a service. It's the perfect blend of both. It's not just about what you drive, it's about how the entire brand makes your life better and easier long after you've signed the papers. And that is definitely something to think about.